Even from a distance, you know a farmer's market. The sights, the sounds, and the smells. The rainbow of fruits and vegetables, all neatly arranged in boxes. The scent of fresh baked pastries drifting on the breeze. Jars of jellies and jams, and best of all, plenty of farmers and producers to tell us more about the food they grow. While we tend to think of a farmer's market as a place to buy delicious produce, it's also a great place to make relationships with local farmers and ask questions about how your food is grown. A farmer's market is delightful, and it's a great way to spend an afternoon supporting your local economy and celebrating the healthy food that brings our community together. Today, I'm at the University of Minnesota Morris, sampling some of the wares from the west central part of our state.
I think my favorite thing about a farmer's market is the high quality of the products and everything that I like to buy here. And I also really enjoy talking to the people who are selling because they're people of the community and I really like talking to them.
I think during COVID, a lot of, bigger corporations were disrupted. And so people could not get a lot of things that they wanted to get in grocery stores. And also a lot of small businesses were struggling during COVID. And so it's important to buy from them. And it's kind of a give and take type of thing. We help our small communities and they give back to us.
I think it's important to know the producer because they're a lot more involved. Being like a smaller business, they're going to know everything about the product that you're getting. So therefore, it would be a lot healthier for you. You're going to know more about what you're putting into your body.
I like to sell at the farmer's market because I like to share what I grow and produce on my farm with all the wonderful customers we get to see each week.
Throughout the summer and fall, a farmer's market is the perfect place to pick up some yummy treats and farm fresh produce to make a healthy meal for you and your family. Visit minnesotagrown.com for a list of over 200 farmers markets in Minnesota. There is certain to be one near you.